What's up guys, Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash and Soft Wash Innovations. Let's check out the Pro 300 here. What's going on? Got your high grade ball valve, three-way, draw chemical on this side, flip the switch, draw the rinse on the other side, 18-inch stainless steel Titan hose reel. Okay, you got your 7-gallon a minute pump going on here with diffused. You got a 100 amp switch right here. Okay, for on and off. You got 2 keys to come with it. You got your high grade swivel here, chemical resistant. Okay, you got professional wiring in the unit, as you can see. Okay, got your ball valve over here on your wand and your tips going on there. We give you a marine battery box, a full-size marine battery box. Unlike other companies that give you the car battery one, that's no good. So we're going to give this thing a test run in a second, and let's hit the pause button here and go to a second video.